Watch Toys here, y'all. It's another Pokemon open up, and they're gonna be opening up Scarlet and Violet, Twilight Masquerade. See what we can get. Maybe we can get something good. Alrighty. Here goes the QR code for people who want it. Let's see what we get. See if we get anything good today. We need it. I ain't been having too much luck with the packs I've been buying. No. Oh, I like that Snorlax. I like that one there too. Alright, we got a reverse. Another reverse. Did we get anything? Nah. It's a cool looking walking weight though. Ancient. And it was dark. Well, y'all, didn't get nothing today, but as always tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If you ain't already done it, subscribe to my channel, please, and help me grow it. Ward's Toys out of here.